Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Ms. Leon Berger back with another captioning how-to video. So I, like probably a lot of us, have been thinking of YouTube as the only source of instructional videos for this time of distance learning. But I'm wrong. I forgot about a really cool resource that Arlington has that everyone can access through one login. So I realize I said one login. I don't remember if that's what we call this anymore, but you know what I'm talking about. My access, the page that looks like this, rapid identity. I don't know what it's called, but I'm talking about this screen. This screen has a really cool resource called Discovery Education. Go ahead and click into Discovery Education and it should take you right to its interface, which looks like this. Now, all of my suggestions are about science, but this website that Arlington pays for us to have has all the different subjects, so that's awesome. Yes, it is from the Discovery Channel Corporation. So some of this stuff you might recognize from TV, but some of it is stuff you may have never seen before. Okay, so you can search for a video by subject. But let's say you want to search by keyword. That's how I like to do it. Just like on YouTube, you press the little magnifying glass. Let's say I'm making a video about food webs. Okay. Search for food webs, and they're going to give you all of their different options. So they don't just have videos on this website, although that's what I use them for. They have different sorts of things. They have images, they have articles, they have this option called boards. I've used that before, but videos again is what I'm going to primarily use this for. You can change the age, you can change the particular subject, but for our purposes, the most important thing to filter is closed captions. Not everything on Discovery Education automatically has captions, although a lot of it does, and when it does have captions, in my experience, they've been good captions. So they'll tell you how long the video is up in the corner. Sometimes they have full videos, sometimes they have short little clips. So I would go through and just decide, okay, which of these videos is the best for my kids? And then I'll show you the next step. It took some digging, but I found the perfect video down here. Food chains and webs. So go ahead and open it up. Make sure that the video is what you want. Kind of cheesy, but it'll work. Make sure it really does have captions.
For example, one such animal left this.
Great. All right, and now here's the next step. We want to download this video so that we can re-upload it to Canvas, and we want to also download the closed captions. So there's some buttons over here on the right of the video. The first one, Add to Quick List, is actually a pretty cool feature. If you click that, it bookmarks it right up here for you in Discovery Education. So if you want to come back to it later. But we want to look at this one, the breadcrumbs icon, the 3 dots. Click it, and then we want to click Download. And this pops up. So they give you an option to download it in low quality or high quality. If you are downloading a really long video, you might want to go low. But for now, I'm going to go high. Click it, and automatically it starts to download. As you can see, I already did this earlier. Then, this is the best part in my opinion, you can just download the closed caption file along with the video. Awesome. So now you have on your computer the visual and the closed captions, 2 separate files. Now we're going to upload it to Canvas. Okay, I'm back in Canvas. I'm going to make an assignment. I'm going to call it Discovery Test. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is what we went over in another video, and that's pressing this button, record/upload media. Hello. And finding that video that we just downloaded. So select video files where you're going to go. Now I purposely left this open because as you can see, when I downloaded the video from Discovery Education, it named it something absolutely just crazy. I don't know what any of this is, okay? So I kept that up so I would know what it's called and what to look for. So we're going to select video file, and we're going to go to our downloads. I have so many downloads. What was it called again? Okay, There it is. Okay, oof. Double click it. And again, depending on how long your video is, you might have to wait a little bit. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like on my end. Now, in order to add the captions, we're going to have to see what it looks like for kids, but we don't want to publish yet because we're not ready. The captions haven't been added. So first, we're just going to save without pressing publish. And it'll take us to what it looks like for the kids. Okay, so now it's time to add the captions. See the CC button down here? If you put your cursor over it, it says upload subtitles. Go ahead and click that. And again, there is some sort of way to use a subtitle creation tool through Canvas, but I have not tried that yet. So what I do know that we can do is upload a subtitle track in this web VTT format. We can do that because Discovery Education gave it to us. And again, I left this open to see what it was called. E32. All right, let's find it. Well, first we got to let you know it's English. Whew. I just remembered that I can sort all of this by date. Duh. So here is my subtitle file. Ta-da! Upload. And just like that, it syncs it together. So I'm going to refresh to make sure it worked. And play it. And make sure the subtitles are on. Yay! All done. I didn't have to write the subtitles myself. Thank you, Discovery Education. So now this would be ready to publish. Okay, so that was downloading videos and captions from Discovery Education. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Bye!